English Language ABC Academy.
For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Father, hey there, son. How was your day at school?
Son, it was okay, Dad. Just the usual stuff.
Father, that's good to hear. I've been thinking about something important, and I wanted to talk to you about it.
Son, sure, Dad. What's on your mind?
Father, well, I wanted to discuss the importance of studying. You know, putting in the effort to do well in school.
Son, oh, not another lecture, Dad.
Father, hear me out, son. I know it might seem repetitive, but I want you to understand why it's so crucial. Education is like the key to unlocking opportunities in life.
Son, yeah. I've heard that before. But why is it such a big deal?
Father, think of it this way. When you study and do well in school, you're not just memorizing facts and figures. You're developing critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and discipline.
Son, discipline? That's a new one.
Father, yes, discipline. By sticking to a steady routine, you're learning how to manage your time effectively. This skill will help you in every aspect of your life, whether it's in your future career or personal relationships.
Son, I guess that makes sense.
Father, also, education opens doors. It gives you options. The more you know and the better you perform academically, the more opportunities you'll have in the future. You can choose a career that you're passionate about, and you won't be limited by your education.
Son, I do want to have options and do something I love.
Father, that's the spirit. Education is an investment in yourself. It's an investment in your future. The more you learn, the more you grow as a person. And remember, knowledge is something that no one can ever take away from you.
Son, I guess I never thought about it that way.
Father, it's never too late to start taking your studies seriously. I'm not saying it's easy, but the rewards are worth it. So, let's work together to make sure you're setting yourself up for success, okay?
Son, thanks, Dad. I'll try to see studying in a new light.
Father, that's all I ask, son. I believe in you, and I know you have the potential to achieve great things.